What's up, y'all? It's Cliff with Pay Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Trinity, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. We're gonna be doing the pool cage, the pool deck. He has a white vinyl fence that goes around the property. We're gonna clean that as well. I've been here for about maybe two times, I believe. I've been here with my son once, and I came once by myself. So today, me and DeJuan's gonna take care of him. We got 3 jobs today on the schedule. We've been working every day, man, since the last couple of weeks, and I'm very blessed for that. So, you know, January is usually the slowest month, at least for my business, but we have been cranking up pretty good lately. You guys can see I got some new gear. I got new gear. You know, new shirt. You see it. You see it. Boom. 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 So we're gonna get started here. Like I said, we got 3 jobs today. We're gonna be using our downstream injector to clean this cage. It's not bad at all, since we clean it pretty often. We're gonna do the pool deck. They have dogs, so they have a lot of dog hair and stuff that we gotta make sure we rinse off the deck for them. And then, like I said, the vinyl fence that you see here behind me, it's not as bad that it was like the first time I came here. So if you guys haven't yet, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, just ask. Hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. Let's go check the job out. So this is the deck here. You got some algae growing. You good? So this is the cage here. Like I said, it's not bad at all. You know, basic dust. You know, on there it's not green like it was the first time. They got a little bit of, you know, spiders and stuff like that, and spider webs around that we got clean up for them. You can see another one right there. So basic cleaning, and then we got the fence around the property, which, like I say, it's not bad at all. So the one's gonna knock out the cage for me in the pool deck while I take care of the fence. And we should be out of here pretty quickly, man. 9:05. I think we'll be here probably an hour tops. All right, y'all stay tuned.
This is easy.
All right, the one just got done applying the soap to the screens and also the enclosure. Went ahead and pre-treated the deck. I've already hit the fence from this side here all the way around the house. I'm just gonna double back, rinse coming back, and that'll be taken care of. I can actually go inside and help them rinse. Still kind of early right now, 9:15. Might leave a little earlier than I thought. Using the M5 twist nozzle, rinse this fence down. I like this M5 twist, man. Took a while for it to grow on me, but it works really well for soft washing. The G-Rod works good too. It's just like the M5 twist just makes it seamless from when you want the fan pattern to the screen. Without having to change, without having to stop and change the tips on the J-Rod. So it definitely makes it more smooth. All right, you guys, we're all finished here. 9:46. Got the deck done. Went ahead and rinsed the underneath there for them, even though they didn't want it done. They had a lot of dog hair, so I went ahead and just rinsed that up too. Cage wasn't that bad. Has some stuff on the top of it. We got those off. The one is rinsing the last of it right there. I already done the fence. That wasn't much. So this is a 5-star job, man. We're gonna go ahead and pack up, and we're gonna go ahead to the second job to do. I believe we're gonna be doing the pool cage there. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we're at the second job for the day. Like I said, we're in Lutz, Florida. We're here for a pool cage cleaning. We're not doing the deck. Customer attempted to do it, to do his pool cage, and couldn't reach the middle section, so he called us out to get the thing done. And we're gonna get it looking good. Let's check it out. So this is the cage here. You can see all the beams across the middle right here got algae all on them. You can see this one here full of algae as well. Same thing over here. So we're gonna get that cleaned up for him. He said he could do the sides, but you know, you can see the sides still dirty. I'm not sure what he's using. He's probably using water. Water does not kill algae. And plus, most likely if you're gonna use water, that means you're gonna be using pressure to blast it off, and that's not the correct way to do it. You'll take the paint off and put stripes onto the to the frame. So soft washing is the way to go to get everything cleaned up without damaging anything. We got some cobwebs up here as well, so you can see how green this thing looks. So we're gonna downstream it down. The one is starting already. So he's gonna do the outside and then come in here and spray it up, and she'll be nice and white when we're done. This is the outside of the cage here. Thing is pretty green. Look at that. So we're gonna spray this thing down all the way around and let it sit and dwell for a good 10 minutes. Especially when we spray outside, we go inside. By the time we come back out, it'll be about 10 minutes. That'll be enough time to rinse the outside. We're almost done soaping the inside. We're gonna let this thing sit, like I said, to dwell, and then we'll rinse it up. Let me check out the outside here. See, this thing is green, y'all. You see how green this thing is. But look, it's gonna come off like butter. Alright y'all, that is it. This is the aftermath of the full cage. No more green. Hey, the ones. Before you go up, can you see if you can blow some of this stuff off of the cage? Blow it this way. That way. We're buttoning up right now, getting everything situated. Trying to get most of the leaves off the cage for them, even though they just fall right back on there. But when we leave, we want to make sure that, you know, we leave it as presentable as possible. You can see all that green that was up there is gone, and all the beans. Now we got a white pool cage. He didn't want the deck done, so he's not getting a free deck cleaning. Alright, we're gonna pack it up here once the one is done, rinsing this area, and then we'll see y'all at the final job. Y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, we at the final job right now. We're in Town and Country, Florida. We're here for a new customer. I just got this call because they want to get this place ready for the Super Bowl. They're gonna have a get together here, so they want to get the patio cleaned up. So let's check it out. So this is the patio here. You can see we got some dirt build up. They said they've never had it cleaned before since they moved in, so they want to get it nice and clean for the Super Bowl party. So this is a tile patio. We'll be able to give it a good surface clean, and open this door and get it cleaned up and get all those stains up for him. The one is adding some of the SH on there. I gotta put it in the middle, I think. I gotta put it to the left. So we're gonna add the SH on there to kill some of this dirt, and then we're gonna surface clean it and get it looking good. Y'all stay tuned. Voila, we all finished here. Everything is rinsed up. We're only here for the floor, we're not here for anything else. Got all the stains up that was over here. Nice, Super Bowl ready, man. I did rinse the screens down for them too, man, just because I was already here and they had some green on them, a bunch of dust. This door was filthy, so we went ahead and did that as a courtesy. You guys, well, that's it for the day. Make sure you enjoy your day with your family, your friends and loved ones. Never know when it's gonna be over, man. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I put up new content. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.